medyo nasasaktan siya. Nakikita mo sa facial reaction niya.
Nice! That's what you were saying.
Heading up! He's throwing up blood!
Nagsuka na. Tapos sa laban.
Matapos ang controversial na pagkatalo sa bansang South Africa taong 2021, ay mas malupit na pagbangon ang ginawa ng Pinoy na si Christian Araneta alias The Bomb. 3 sunod-sunod na kalaban ang tinalo at 2 pa dito tinapos via first round TKO. At ngayong taon lang ay may matapang na dayuhan na nagbula pa sa bansang Thailand ang sumugo dito sa Pinas para subukan ang lakas at tibay ni Kabayan. Ito ay ang Beterano at ilang beses nang naging Asian champion. Ito ay si Jack Rawot Majongin. Ilang Pinoy na din ang nakabangga nito at tinalo. Bago ang gabi ng laban ay bit-bit ng dayong Thai boxer ang record na 42 wins, 3 losses, 2 tabla, 21 dito via knockout, habang 22 wins, 2 losses, 17 via knockout naman ang Pinoy. Ginanap ang laban sa Hopes Dome, Lapu-Lapu noong April 1 lang, 10 rounds non-title fight. Kung record ang pagbabasihan ay talagang Beterano na sa basagan ng mukha itong kalaban. Pero kung knockout percentage naman ng Pinoy ang titignan, ay talagang may paglalagyan talaga ang kalaban kung matamaan ito ng solidong suntok ni Kabayan. Kaya naman sa gabi ng bakbakan ay talagang halimaw na naman ang performance ng Pinoy. Di umubra ang pagiging Beterano nitong dayo. Dahan-dahan lang nilamog at dinurog ni Kabayan, at ang pinakamalala pa ay pinasuka pa ito habang nakaluhod. Sabay nating balikan ang nakakabilib na performance ng ating pambato na si Christian Araneta. Kontra sa dayong Thai boxer na si Jack Rawot Majongin.
Our land.
To defend our land.
Pilipinas versus Thailand.
May I ask, may kilala nyo ba maraming experience?
Of course. Especially coming from a fighting country talaga.
That was a slip. Napangiti dun si ano. Fully, nakausap ko si Doc J before. Yes.
Sa top 15.
One of the best lightweight and the best puncher. And you
Sakit ng mga
Almost.
Doc, di ba?
Connected with that hanapan ng kalaban itong si Christian Araneta.
Oo nga. Wasan yun ng Thai fighter. When he's inside the ring, kala mo talagang matapang, mamong-mama, pero sa labas, courage and his braveness, the left straight again. Mabit itong Thai.
Ganda ng uppercut.
Measure up the power and yun, nag-a-adjust siya. Play again, round number 2. Lapu-lapu. For a boxer. Again, guys, this is a 10-round fight. The Thai fighter.
Ganda ng sidestep ni Araneta doon.
Look at that.
Parang nagulat din yung Thai fighter. Ba't napunta doon agad si Araneta?
Another body.
Dito sa totoong laban.
Talaga nung straight na yan.
Bagong-bago.
Yung straight, medyo yung Thai, medyo...
Kita mo ganda ng mga patama.
Dapat.
Nagbabasa pa yan.
Balik eh. And the Thai said, let's go. Tingnan natin kung pakainin ni Christian na sa iba yung Thai ang offensive. Umuurong dito si Christian. Abante ulit. Brad.
Kasi baka
Okay, dayo, aggressive. Boxer. Kumbaga, maingat.
Bang!
nakakagulat naman yung mga birada ni Christian.
If you're the coach,
So, maghahanap tayo ng butas.
Ato. Unless. And we are not looking for that. We're looking for a good fight. Straight. Uppercut and the Thai.
Nakabawi si Christian.
Nagbibigayan na sila dito ng malalakas. Still need to look. Make sure
Good body shot from Christian.
I think yung Thai is...
Good left hand.
feeling it. Oh, not the one. Left straight niya, no, na mas may-utilize niya yun. Pero he hasn't done that. Two jabs.
And Christian is very consistent with his jab.
Round number 5. Would it be the same for this main event? Backing out right away. Again, this is round number 5 and this is only scheduled.
Yes, and he's good for talento pag malapitan.
And that's why Christian Araneta
Mapipilitang pumasok yung Thai gamit ng lateral movement.
Good right hook.
tapping hook. That one is not tapping.
And
The footwork and the defense of Christian, the Thai fighter could not find.
there's a Thai fighter. Good. Left to the body.
And that is the Christian. The jab again, starting with the jab. Dito sila good straight. Compound nila pag nag-jogging sila. Left or overhand.
Yeah, yes, overhand. Di ka
Good left hand. Talagang nasasaktan itong Thai. Good short right hook.
Mix it.
Surprise, surprise.
Again, the Christian Araneta back to fighting.
delikado din itong Thai. Baka tama.
Ano? Wag muna.
He will go for
Kill na agad
Yeah,
as
but-
early as now.
not now.
Not, di pa daw.
Good right hook.
Alam, puro snap yung sinusundok na ano eh.
Yes.
Puro snap.
I don't know, something special about that left diretso. Di maka. Christian Araneta dice. So I'm sure sunod-sunod na ulit yan. The Thai fighter trying to get the jabs again.
Back.
There.
Good.
Bilis kasi ng kamay eh.
Yeah. Utilizing the whole canvas and the counter body shot.
Kailangan nang pumasok ng talander. Hindi niya papasukin. It's yung huli. Defense, attack, and sacrifice. Wala ka nang ibang choice. Yeah.
But if you're getting hurt,
Punishment, a lot of punishment. Even you don't brawl. No.
so if it's for you, I'm just gonna risk it. Go.
Wala na siya magagawa dyan.
Yeah.
Same story, more or less.
Pati mga sikat na YouTuber, nandito. So,
Tama din ng body shot.
pasok kahit anong suntok eh. Ano bang magandang panablad?
Talaga pumasok sa loob pag ganyang estilo. Tsaka, then do the counter.
Ayan, medyo nagkakaroon na ng participation yung crowd.
Oo. Kasi nagramain siya eh. Parang masakit. Ang hirap pumasok pag...
Still reaction niya.
Nice!
Left
That's
hand.
what you were saying!
And he took the knee. Finally! And I think he's throwing up. He's throwing up blood.
Nagsuka na. Tapos sa laban. I gotta see that again.
I think the
Hirap to. Nagsuka
yung ano
talaga.
natin, yung doctors and health team.
Yo, bakit nagsuka yun, no? Ito na, dyan sa ulo.
Ayan.
And
Bang.
then the chan. Tingnan natin ulit.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.